Unidentified assailants reportedly carried out attack at the residence of Manipur BJP spokesperson and member of Thadou Students Association T. Michael Lamjathang Haokip in Ccpur on Sunday night. As told to NDTV by Michael Lamjathang Haokip, over 24 people, some of them armed, vandalized the house. They also reportedly fired shots in the air and set 2 rooms on fire. They poured kerosene on the wall and burned 2 rooms. Michael Haokip said he has been raising awareness about his tribe, Thadou, being inaccurately referred to as Cookie tribe amid the ethnic tension in Manipur. He said it was the second time his house in Ccpur was attacked, allegedly by some people who do not accept the Thadou tribe's distinct identity. It may be mentioned that Lamjathang Haokip is also a leadership team member of the Manipur-based Thadou Students Association (TSA) and a newly formed Thadou Community International or TCI, a global body with professionals from the Thadou tribe living in 9 countries, including the US, the UK, Norway, Australia and Malaysia, among others, as members. According to TCI, the attack happened barely a few hours after Mr. Haokip participated in a panel discussion in local media on the topic Cookie Supremacy and its Agenda.